Our people have abandoned the path of their ancestors. The ways that gave us identity, dignity, and wisdom are now called evil. While the white man's tradition is called holy, we forgot that before the white man came, we had laws, morality, crafts, gods, and honor. Today, an Igbo man bows to foreign names, foreign gods, and foreign values, yet insults his own. He breaks his ancestral shrine and builds a foreign altar, then wonders why he is lost. A tree that forgets its roots will dry up. The white man did not abandon his tradition to follow ours. Why did we abandon ours to follow his? Remember who you are. Tradition is not backwardness, it is identity. An Igbo man without his culture is a stranger in his own land. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, and comment.